One of the little known secrets that you can do with these vans between the years 2001 and 2007 is kind of what the insiders call the key dance. And what that is you'll put the key in the ignition and you'll turn it to the on position, not all the way to the start where it's activating the starter, just the on position where like your radio and things like that come on. But what you'll do is put the key in, go to the on position, off on 3 times, and on the third time leave it in the on position. Then what you'll do is look over here into your odometer, and if there are any thrown codes, and sometimes even pending codes, not always, but if it definitely has a thrown code and you have a check engine light, that code will show up in your odometer over here. And that way you don't have to go and have it scanned somewhere. Now, it doesn't get into the deep stuff. It's going to be just like your general OBD codes, but it will show up over there on your odometer. So let me show you how we do that. So I'll take my key, I put it in the ignition, and just on, off, on 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I'll look down here, and if there's any codes, they'll start showing up. And then when they're done, it says done, where the odometer is. Now in this case, no code showed up, and all of a sudden it just said done. So that tells me that right now, according to the main system on this, it doesn't have any codes that are present or any that it shows that are pending. And so that's just a quick, neat little trick.